Hey Rebels, today I'm doing a quick unboxing of the DJI Osmo Mobile SE gimbal. And guys, I got this during the holiday as well. It was on sale. I think I got it for like 58 bucks from Best Buy. And they gave me some additional gift, which was like, I think Shutterfly or something like that, which is like a digital photo app. But anyways, 58 bucks, I had to hop on this. I used to have another gimbal, not made from DJI. It was from Astronon, which is like an Asian brand I got from Amazon. I think I paid 79 bucks for that one. It worked pretty good, but I mean, once I seen this DJI, I couldn't resist. For 58 bucks, I hopped on that ASAP. So without further ado, I'm gonna do the unpackaging, and hopefully you guys enjoy this. If y'all have any questions or comments or anything like that, let me know in the chat, guys, and give me thumbs up or down, more thumbs up, and let's get to it. All right, let me see if I can find something to, oh yeah, let me get my little razor, my box cutter. It has a wrap around it right now, so I gotta just put this up. Yeah. And if you guys have one, let me know what you guys think about them from your experience. If you like it or you disapprove of it, if it's trash. Jeez. They really wrap this really good. They're making sure ain't nobody gonna be stealing nothing. All right, let's see. Open it up. This little package right here. See what's in here. Nice. So first thing, we got a nice little carrying case. I always like little pouches and stuff like that in packaging. Keep my stuff nice and organized. Some manuals. Maybe throw some more stickers in here. Where my stickers? DJI. There we go. We got some stickers. They think these are some cushions for holding the phone, and the actual device. Got plastic here on it. I like the packaging. At least they took the time to package it properly. Ooh, nice. Nice handle. This has a light on in the back. I still didn't turn it on yet, guys, so still figuring it out. I'm definitely gonna do I'm gonna definitely do a review once I get to test it out, and I'll give you guys my opinion on it, or let you guys know what really is if it's worth it or not. But I mean, I've seen some comments and reviews, and they were pretty good on this, and I like the fact that I can mount this on a stand. And then here we go. We have this is like the holder to hold the phone. Springs, nice. And then what is this? Oh, I think this is. Oh yeah, so this is the extra stand that comes with it. You get a nice little tripod, screw on. You could actually screw it on here if you want. I'm probably gonna put mine on a tripod, but this is extra, nice little extra. You can close it, hold it, put your phone on there, do your thing. And what else we got in here? We got the USB-C charging cable. And that's pretty much it, guys. It's pretty simple. I'll definitely, let me know in the comments, guys, if you want me to do a review on this. I'll definitely do the review on testing it out and I'll show you guys in Addison action. All right, so thank y'all for watching. Be rebels, y'all. See you in the next. So here, actually, there's this piece right here actually is magnetic. Right here, and you connect it to that piece, and then there we go. I'm gonna test this out, and eventually I'll give you guys a review on this, guys.